I play tennis.
I listen to music.
I drink tea. I wash my car. I read a book. I work in an office. I drive a car. I cook dinner. I play football.
Yes!
I ride a bike. I play the guitar. I learn English. I eat pizza. I go to bed.